Hello! In this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on VIVO V50e. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use Yelp.com, and you have to search something using your custom search engine. Then click on the three dots icon and now go to settings. Then click on search engine, and here you can choose Yelp.com, and now you can go back, and as you can see my search engine is now changed to Yelp. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.